Welcome to day 1 of the 14-day SAT Math Challenge. Here's how this works. Every day for the next 14 days, I'll walk you through one SAT-style math problem, step by step, to help you sharpen your skills and boost your confidence. Each problem is designed to push your thinking just enough, not overwhelm you, so you get better with each one. If you want all 14 questions right now to test yourself, click the link in the description. You'll get immediate access to the full challenge. But if you want the worked out solutions, those are being dropped one video at a time right here on YouTube. The full playlist will be ready by August 11th, so keep coming back daily. Let's dive in. Day 1. If 3x plus 4y equals 12 and 5x minus 2y equals 7, what is the value of x plus y? Go ahead and try this problem on your own. Press pause and then press play when you're ready for the solution. So this right here is a systems of equations. I'm going to write 3x plus 4y equals 12 and 5x minus 2y equals 7. Notice right away that I can go ahead and multiply the bottom equation by 2 so that I can cancel out the y's. So I'm going to rewrite this really fast and I'm going to multiply the bottom equation times 2. So I get 10x minus 4y is equal to 14. And this is exactly what you want to happen because positive 4y and negative 4y are going to cancel. When you do elimination, you're basically adding. So this is addition. So now I'm going to add 3x plus 10x is 13x is equal to 26 right away. If I divide by 13, I can tell that x is going to equal 2. I'm going to take the time now and I'm going to substitute back to an equation. Any equation is just fine. 3 times 2 plus 4y is equal to 12. 6 plus 4y is equal to 12. If I take away 6, I get 4y is equal to 6. And if I divide by 4, 6 over 4 can be simplified to 3 over 2 because they're both divisible by 2, which is simply 1.5. Now be careful because if you notice the answer choice x equals 2 and 3 over 2 are both part of the solution set, but what they're asking for is what is the value of x plus y? And that means that I had to take my two answers, 2 plus 1.5, which is 3.5, and my solution is going to be D, 7 over 2. Remember to come back tomorrow for day 2.